Hi, welcome to our phonics lesson. Our subject today is going to be phonograms with U sound again. Do you still remember last time? We have done these three phonograms. They have the U sound, like in the words zoo, or the words blue, or tune. Okay? And they look very irregular. But this is the last part. We have another part. We have an extra three different phonograms which represent this long U sound. Okay, and they look also very irregular, very at random. Okay, so while English phonics is getting challenging more and more when it comes to phonograms, but you shall remember most of them in the end because they appear in many sight words. Yeah, just like a bamboo or kangaroo or June, Tuesday, or picture, like that, to name a few. So last time you did a hard job, but today it's going to be equally challenging, but they are mostly sight words too. So it's very worth your trying. Okay. Well, there will be a few syllables. It could be one syllable or it could be two syllables today, but they're not going to be too difficult. Okay, I picked up words which is fairly up to your level. Okay, so please relax and enjoy your spelling dictation. All right, remember the long U sound. It sounds more like a U, not ooh, U. Okay, as long as you stick to this long U sound. And remember which phonogram you're going to apply in their spelling, in the spelling words. Well, that depends on your experience. Okay, but try it. If it doesn't look okay with EW, try OU. If it doesn't look okay, try UI. All right? Yeah, so just relax and try, enjoy this at random kind of spelling activity, okay? All right, I hope you're ready with your worksheet. There will be 15 words. We're gonna do the same things 3 times for each word like before. When all is done, I will read once more for each word, okay? All right, number 1, new, new, new. Number 2, few, few. I have a few questions. We often use that kind of word in our daily conversation, right? Few. Number 3, you. Me? Yes, you. Easy, right? You. Number 4, listen carefully. From now on, it's going to be 4 letter words, even 5 or 6, okay? Number 4, blue, blue. Mind you, not this blue. This is about the color blue. Today we're doing another blue. You heard wind blow hard. The wind blew very hard yesterday. It's a past tense of a word called blow. Is this hint enough for you? Blue. Okay. Number 5, chew, chew, chew. Chew is an action verb when you eat something tough. You chew on it. For example, I chew a lot if I eat a beef jerky. Okay? Something meaty. Meat. Number 6. Drew. 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 Again, this is a past tense verb for some verb. Drew. My hint is when you start to draw something, you would have to remember its past tense. Like yesterday, I drew a portrait for my child. Number 7. It's a 5-letter word. Screw. 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 Screw is a tool. You need it when you do carpentry or any daily kind of work to fix something up. Okay. Number 8, easy word, you heard it every day. Soup. 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 Number 9, very similar to soup. Actually, it's a rhyming word to soup. Group. 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 Easy, right? Number 10. Suit. 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 It can be a wear, a name for wear. Like you wear suit to go to the office, or you wear swimming suit to go swimming, or maybe you wear some other kind of suit to do specific activity. Okay? It's a name about a kind of wear depending on what occasions. It also means something else as a verb, but it doesn't matter. It's the same word. Okay? It's a 4-letter word. Suit. Okay, 11. Fruit. 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 I'm sure you love it. Okay. 12. Listen carefully. Fluid. 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 It's a liquid thing. You know liquid. Something flow, like water. Water is liquid. Fluid is liquid. But the pronunciation is kind of tricky. Fluid, okay? Fluid. I should sound more like a fluid, okay? Number 13, juice. 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 I like fruits more than juice. Juice is too sweet for me. Okay. Number 14. 6-letter word, maybe hard for you. Maybe not. Don't worry. Curfew. 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 Sometimes parents give you a curfew time, say you should not stay out late, you should come home by this time. It's a curfew, okay? Last one, nephew. Nephew. Nephew is a name for a relative, a family relative. Like I call my brother's child nephew. Okay, if he is a boy, I call him my nephew, right? So it's a name for relative. You can call it family member as well sometime if you live together. Okay? All right. These are the 15 words. Let me read you once more for each. Okay, number 1, new. Number 2, few. Number 3, you. Number 4, blue. Number 5, chew. Number 6, drew. Number 7, screw. Number 8, soup. Number 9, group. Number 10, suit. Number 11, fruit. Number 12, flute. Number 13, juice. Number 14, curfew. Number 15, nephew. That's all for today's spelling dictation. I'm looking forward to your result and see you next time.